Hi everybody, this is Jubi from Skyroof India. We would like to introduce the new product whatever we are launching today. The things first I want to tell you is nowadays the event management people, they are facing main problem with the flies and mosquitoes. So here we have come up with the mosquito trapping solutions. So here I would like to show you that in few of the products. This product is which we can carry in our car. So that what will happen is it is handy and movable, and this will be covering 150 square feet, and the main one which I can show you is this one. This will be covering 1 acre. So you can see the different range which we are covering in that one, and the important things for this one is there is no chemicals at all used for this one. So this is very hygienic, and then definitely one question will come that one, then how we will be trapping that mosquitoes. Very simple, there will be a UV light which is coming over here, and that will be getting attracted with this light. And with this light what will happen is mosquito will be getting attracted, and you can see that once it is coming inside, one fan is kept inside. That fan will be pulling that one, and that will be getting collected inside this one. Obviously once it is come inside that one, then it cannot be come out, and all the mosquitoes will be getting trapped inside that one, and within 1.5 hours that will get die, because dehydration will happening on that one, and that will get die. So no chemicals which we are using at all. So this is the principle which we used, and we are sure that one this can be utilized for all the events, and this will become a very hygienic place. We are going to get it out. No, we have multiple range will be coming. These all are the different ranges coming, and even this one you can see that one. This particular item will be, I can put a stand, and with the stand itself we can do the same thing which we can want to mount on a wall. We can mount it on the wall with the help of this one. So multiple type of things. This area, so everything is changing. This will be coming into 500 square feet area. Okay, this is when I am telling the starting things, and 1 acre will be getting covered on that one. Even in the house also we can use that one. So this type will be very specifically we can use 1200 square feet will be covered with this one. The price ranges will be starting from 900 rupees to 22,000 rupees. Adding to that one, we have one more product which is solar. That means the power will be using the help of solar, and that price is that will be covering 2 acres of the areas, which will be completely fly removed item.
And just continuing that one, I would like to add up that one, because he explained about the solar powered unit, this mosquito trap, and then when I talk about a non-solar unit, so the power consumption, which is C certified, you can see it over here. Just focus it through the camera over here. So it consumes very less power, right? Even it requires even less than just illuminate an LED bulb, right? So power consumption is nothing. We are close to nothing. Okay, this is one. Then the main intention, we also came up with a social responsibility of and eliminating the dengue and malaria diseases. It can be bring down. Okay, it totally can be brought down, and just introducing this product in the open area like the public park, and then people gathering places over there, just install a couple of units over there. So it's going to help the people just to reduce these diseases and keep the people the places with this the flies free, the bug free, and the mosquito free. So you know the benefit without telling that one. So this is the way it is. We believe that government will just take this initiate and promote this product over the toxic product which is occupied today in the current market. Yeah? Thank you.